Workday provides unified finance, human resources, and student-faculty lifecycle management cloud applications designed for the way people work. With CData connectivity solutions, you can connect, integrate, and automate your Workday data like never before. CData connectivity solutions leverage the Workday Query Language Service and the Workday Reports as a Service to provide comprehensive access to your Workday data. You will need to configure your Workday instance in order to make the most of CData's connectivity solutions. Start by enabling the Workday Query Language Service. Log into your Workday instance, enter View Domain in the search bar, and click the View Domain link. Enter Workday Query Language in the domain prompt, and click OK. Ensure that your user is included in one of the allowed security group types. After enabling the Workday Query Language, or WQL, create a custom OAuth application for authenticating through CData connectivity solutions. Back in your Workday instance, search for Register API Client. Enter a name for the app in client name. Choose Authorization Code Grant for the grant type. Choose Bearer as the access token type. And choose a redirection URI. For desktop and on-premises applications, use https://localhost:33333. For other applications, refer to the help documentation to determine your redirection URI. In the Scope section, enable the Custom Objects System Scope. The driver uses system endpoints to list views and columns for your Workday data. Add any additional desired scopes for the driver. If there is any uncertainty regarding which scopes to include, all the scopes under each subsection can be enabled. Check the Include Workday Owned Scope box and click OK. Save the client ID and client secret from the View API Client page for use when connecting to Workday from your CData solution. You also need the Workday REST API endpoint to determine the host and tenant connection properties. With Workday properly configured, we are ready to view our Workday data in DBVisualizer. Open DBVisualizer, and if you have not already done so, define a driver using the CData JDBC Driver. Click Tools, Driver Manager, and add a new driver. Browse to the installation location for the CData JDBC Driver for Workday and select the jar file. The driver class will automatically populate. With the driver configured, you can create a new connection. Click the button to add a new database connection and opt to use the wizard. Select the Workday driver. At this point, you need a connection string to connect to your Workday instance. The CData JDBC driver for Workday comes with a built-in connection string designer. Simply run the jar file as an executable and configure the connection properties. Set OAuth client ID to the client ID obtained from the View API Client page. Set OAuth client secret to the client secret from the View API Client page. Set Initiate OAuth to get and refresh. Set Use WQL to true. And use the Workday REST API endpoint to determine the host and tenant. The host is the beginning of the URL, and the tenant is the company name. Once you configure the connection properties, you can copy the connection string and paste it into DBVisualizer. Once the connection is established, you can read whole Workday entity collections or even use custom SQL to query Workday. The CData drivers and connectors for Workday let you connect to your Workday data from any tool, application, or platform that supports SQL connectivity. You can work with live Workday data in popular BI, reporting, and ETL tools like Clover DX, SAP Crystal Reports, Microsoft Excel, QlikView, Tableau, SAP Analytics Cloud, and also from custom applications. CData Connect Cloud provides live cloud-to-cloud connectivity to Workday with nothing to install or maintain. CData Sync allows you to integrate Workday data into new or existing data stores and data warehouses. And CData Arc allows you to automate application-to-application data pipelines involving your Workday data. For more information, visit cdata.com/driver/workday. Download a free 30-day trial of any of our Workday connectivity solutions, and as always, you can find more information on cdata.com.